everyone, welcome back to Trotec. This is Justina, and today we're going to be making a range of custom chalkboards. First, we'll take a look at how you can make a reusable chalkboard place stand. First, we removed the adhesive from the chalkboard sticker and placed it onto Trotec's walnut veneer wood. For these applications, we've used chalkboard material with an adhesive backing. Be careful though, a lot of chalkboard materials are made with PVC, which can be dangerous when cut with a laser. Our material is made with polypropylene, so please exercise caution when choosing your material if you'd like to attempt any of these applications. The kiss cut allows us to peel away the chalkboard adhesive at the bottom of our place card. To ensure a perfect fit, we used a contour of 0.005 inches. We then kiss cut the chalkboard material and process the design in our Trotec Speedy 400. Now we'll show you how you can make your own chalkboard name tag. First, remove the adhesive from the chalkboard material and stick it onto a piece of Trolase white red that's 1/16 of an inch thick. Next, we kiss cut the contour of the name badge. Then we peeled the chalkboard adhesive off of the top part of the name badge, which gives us an area to engrave on the Trolase. We then proceeded to engrave the Trotec logo on the badges, and finally we cut the badges out. In the final step, we attached Trotec pin backs and magnetic backs to the reverse sides of the badges. Finally, we'll show you how to make a chalkboard with a custom stand. The first step in creating a chalkboard is removing the adhesive from the chalkboard sticker and then applying it to Trotec solid wood oak. We then placed our material into our Trotec Speedy 400 and we proceeded to kiss cut the material and cut out the design. To create a base, we placed our solid wood material into our Trotec Speedy 400. Then we proceeded to engrave the Trotec logo and cut out the inlays. To ensure a perfect fit, use a 0.009 inch contour. Next, we cut out a support backing to hold our chalkboard by using our Trotec walnut veneer. Finally, we attach the support backing to the base and place the chalkboard on our stand. These custom chalkboards are ideal for promotional events, interior design applications, as well as brainstorming sessions and educational settings. And it's great for schools so that students have their own erasable chalkboards. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another video from Trotec.